Georgia. That's right, I'm in the city. I found you guys a real treat. I'm bringing you something that's starting off fresh. This builder offers 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, 3-car garages, and it's in the Westlake School District. How cool is that? This community's so new, the marquee is not even completed. You see that? So take a tour, look at what they have to offer out here as far as lots. They're gonna be spec homes, meaning that the building is already pre-selected what's gonna go inside the property, but that's okay because it's gonna cut down on completion time. Some of you guys need to move in 2 months, 3 months. You don't need a whole 6 to 12 month construction. This will give you that flexibility where you can move in sooner than later. All right, take a tour. I hope you enjoy. Call me. We can go to a neighboring community so you can see a completed product. Call me now, 770-885-3790. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share. Take care.